Hey guys and gals, welcome back to another day in the life vlog with me, of course, your host. Isn't that cute? Anyway, I hope y'all are loving these new day in the lives. I'm about to do some more DIYs, and I have a whole bunch once I'm in my new kitchen. Well, it's new to me, but once I'm in the kitchen, I will basically do some more. And oh my goodness, look at how nice this avocado toast is looking. I'm not gonna eat it. I already bit it, you see. But I'm not gonna eat because that's not cute, eating and talking. So what do y'all like doing? Like, what do y'all like the most out of my day in the life, my vlogs? What do y'all like most? Let me know in the comment section. I reply back, unlike some people that I follow. They do not reply to me. I don't like that. So I interact with y'all and I love it. So I'll talk to y'all later. Lego. Yeah, you having fun? Okay, I see. But you have to stop though. You gonna stop? Ta-da! Ta-da! Bravo! Are you focused right now? Wow. It's the artist at work. Yes, Picasso. Yes.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Maya.
Ooh, nice.
Maya.
I like it. Beautiful. Lovely. Whoa. Very nice. Using your left and your right. Nice. Ambidextrous.
Hey.
Yay.
Maya.
Very good. High five. Let me see your hair. Ooh, look how pretty mommy did it. Okay. Looking good. Press the elevator, please. Okay, that's fine. So I had some Amazon Prime delivery last night. Whoa. Whoa. Dude. Who's cooler than you? Uh-oh. Cover your mouth, please. That's unacceptable. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. And I'm not going to hold that. That's yours. Thank you. Hey, guys. How y'all feeling today? Guess where I'm at? Did you guess yet?
How can I help you?
Hi, honey. Do y'all sell coffee rolls?
No.
Oh. All right. I get a small iced caramel coffee, 4 caramels, 2 creams, extra ice, and that's it.
You can put it in the front.
Do you want anything? Okay, thank you. I noticed a lot of places where I live, well, where I'm at now, they don't sell coffee rolls. Y'all know what that is? You know the swirly donut? It's not a donut, it's like a pastry, but it's swirly and it has like a circle, like a cinnamon roll, like a cinnamon swirl. No one sells that where I stay at, but like on the other side, like across the track, they sell it. And the way my gas is set up, honey, I'm not going all the way over there for like a coffee roll. I'm not doing all that. But anywho, how many of y'all people like really love something and need something and y'all go and get it? Anyway, let's talk about this luxury steering wheel cover. I bought this at AutoZone for $20 and I love it. Look at how it is. Look at this. It's so fluffy. It's like it's like a piece of heaven. Anyway, yeah, so how y'all feeling? What y'all got going on? Hey, Dunkin. So you know I'm gonna need to use my phone, so I'm gonna cut off a little bit. I'm in the drive-thru right now, but I'm about to take this hair out because I started taking some out already. It's just not looking too kosher for real. Anyway, it's all right. I'll be back. You Dunkin'? Okay, so I got my coffee and they have get a free avocado, bacon avocado, but I don't get bacon, obviously. Get a free bacon avocado toast on the app with any drink purchase. Okay, so I did that. Ooh, look at the weather. Look. Sure did. I'm about to eat up. So what y'all eat? What do y'all like to eat for breakfast? It's so good. It's a little salty, but I'll deal with it. Gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Gotta hurry and in love. When you ride with me, gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. See how much I got today? $40. I gotta have these gloves on. Okay. Make sure we're getting all of it. I want it dripping on my baby. Yeah, boy. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, that's me doing it. I'm doing it. Where's mommy? Hi. Come on, press the elevator. I know that's me doing it. I know, I'm making the light on the ceiling. Press the elevator. Thank you. Good job. There you go. That's it. One time. Ooh. Okay, ladies, be wise and choose wisely, right? When you are dating. So basically, do not settle for less. Have standards. If you are paying your own bills, you that woman that's doing your own thing, you don't need no man, you just want a man, then do not accept less. Have your standards. And if a man says that you too hard to love, no, it's you too hard to manipulate. Don't let him do that, baby girl. Go about your business. Let him go, because he's not worth it, and he is not the man for you. Don't settle.